In the heart of ancient Indian wisdom lies a profound understanding of the power that women possess. This is not just a historical narrative, it is a living truth that resonates through time. Women have always been the custodians of life, the nurturers of culture, and the bearers of wisdom. From the revered sages to the fierce warriors, the feminine energy has shaped our civilization in ways that are often overlooked. Consider the concept of Shakti, the divine feminine energy that permeates all existence. In ancient texts, Shakti is depicted as a force of creation, destruction, and transformation. It is this energy that empowers women to rise, to lead, and to inspire. Yet, in our modern society, we often find ourselves caught in a web of stereotypes and limitations that stifle this innate power. Women's empowerment is not just a contemporary movement, it is a revival of the ancient recognition of feminine strength. When we uplift women, we uplift entire communities. The stories of women like Rani Lakshmibai, who fought valiantly for her kingdom, or Sarojini Naidu, who eloquently championed the cause of freedom, remind us that the spirit of resilience and courage is deeply rooted in our history. Ancient Indian culture revered women as embodiments of wisdom and strength. The goddess Durga, for instance, symbolizes the triumph of good over evil, embodying the fierce protective nature of women. In every corner of our heritage, we find symbols that celebrate feminine energy, be it in art, literature, or philosophy. These symbols are not just relics of the past, they are reminders of the potential that lies within every woman today. Yet, the journey towards recognizing this power is ongoing. It is essential for both women and men to engage in this dialogue. Men, too, have a role to play in honoring and empowering the feminine energy. By fostering an environment of respect and equality, we can create a society where everyone thrives. It is about breaking down barriers and building bridges of understanding. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us draw inspiration from our ancient roots. Let us celebrate the strength of women, not just in words, but in actions. Whether it's supporting women-led initiatives, advocating for equal rights, or simply listening to the voices of women around us, every effort counts. Awakening the power within is not just a personal journey, it is a collective movement. Together, we can create a world where the feminine energy is honored, where women are empowered to reach their full potential, and where the balance of energies leads to a more harmonious society. Let us stand together, recognizing that the strength of women is the strength of humanity itself.